Angelica, and this is my sister Jolie. Hi! So today we are going to talk about the animals all around the world. We will give you information about the animals. So animals are very cool. So now we are going to talk about koalas. Koala lives in Australia, and they need to sleep 20 hours per day. That's a long sleeping. Koalas love to sleep. So we are going to move on to the next animal. It's black bear. Black bears live in North America, and they can survive without food for 7 months. Awesome. Those bears can survive with 7 months. I don't get it. That's cool. Hi, my name is Jolie. So then we go to learn about the animal all around the world. Okay, guys, this is the first animal. Gray kangaroo they live in Australia. They jump high. The next animal is around the world is anaconda snake. They live in South America. They're longer than scuba. So we are going to move on to the next animal, woodpecker, who lives in North America. That's where we are. So woodpeckers can peck on wood 20 times in 1 second. What? Here it is. Stop. Stop. So we are going to move on to the next animal section. So it's bison, the largest mammal in North America. The reason why they call largest is because they are big than a bus. A new animal, the pangolin. The armadillo. Armadillo call it a pangolin just because it has hard shell like a rock. We are going to. This is a new animal, a blue parrot. It has long tail, and they call it a long parrot. So we are going to move on to the next animal, mountain lion. Lives in North America, also called a puma. A puma is like a mountain lion. The last name, even puma, is everywhere. On your pants, on your sweater, on your shirts, even on soccer teams. Now we are going to move on to the next continent. Three-toed sloth. It also lives in South America. Goes to the toilet only once a week. Is that silly? Once a week? That's weird. It doesn't go to the toilet all day. It's go to 1 week. Even I don't know where the sloth goes to the toilet. So llama live in South America. It has 3 stomachs. And it can eat something. We don't know. Get it? So then the man will live in a big group. And then they live in the savannah. Jaguar loves to swim and catch food from the water. So we are going to move on to the next animal continent. It's blue and yellow macaw. That's a long word. Lives in South America. Even they allergic to chocolate and avocado. Listen, they are like me. I love chocolates, but I don't like avocados. Giraffe can be taller than a tree. They can eat the leaf up in the tree, but they can sleep standing. So, flamingo live in Africa. They live in sun weather, and the good news is that they can eat upside down, and the good news. So we are going to move on to the next animal. It's called golden lion tamarin. It lives in South America. Even is a special monkey, but not a lion. So we are going to move on to the next animal. It's cheetah. Cheetah has very poor vision, so it hunts during the day because those visions are good for sunlight, not for night times. The cheetah lives in Africa. The lowest had in East Asia. They have eye like binoculars. The penguin live in Antarctica. They live in the big group. And then the father take the eye on the baby penguin while the mama get the food. So we are going to move on to the next animal. It's African buffalo. They live in Africa. They love to bat in the water, not swim. So now we are going to move on to the next animal. It's polar bear. And polar bears live in the Arctic. Has black skin under its white fur. So we have already done our talking about animals around the world. So we hope you enjoy our video. Describe our video and click on the channel to know about AOY adventure. Bye.